Welcome back to the Jain Logic training videos. In this video we're going to look at working with our data widgets. So a couple of things on the data widgets. Sometimes people call these tiles. They house different pieces of information coming off of stations or metric information. One thing to be aware of is that the widgets are level sensitive. So we selected the top level and you can see now we have an overview of the complete operation. And some of the widgets have arrows in them so you can click through the stations, one station at a time. And you can do the same thing for weather data for the different regions. If we go down to the almond level, we're going to move to a particular set of sensors and blocks within the almond operation, and now we have a different set of widgets. If you choose the Almond Station, now the data within the widgets pertains to this information coming off of that individual station. And then lastly, if you choose the field that the Almond Station is in, you get yet another set of data widgets, and these pertain to things around that field. So this is where you would find your weather analytics if you want to look up your degree day calculations, because that's really tied to the field and not the station. Now you have the choice with the widgets to turn things on and off. So if there are particular widgets you don't use, you can actually turn them off. So there's a couple in here that I don't want to use. So this latest readings and the crops. I know what crops in this field, so I don't really need to look at that widget. So to control what widgets you view, in the top right corner you'll see this Add and Remove Widgets button. We'll click that, and now we can see all the widgets that display on this page, and we're going to turn a couple of these off. So we'll turn the crops off, and then the latest readings, and click Save. And now we've removed those from the view, so it just simplifies your view. If you'd like to see them back again, just click that button again and turn those on and off. So this really allows you to customize your views and clean up windows where there may be data points that you're not interested in seeing, or they're not as important to you and you just want to speed up the process of using the application, so you can turn those off. So that's a quick overview of the widgets. Please play around with it. You can't break it. You can turn these on and off, and you can always recover them. Even if you've turned them all off, you could just hit reset all and they would all come back.